Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a cupcake. First, draw a curvy line, like that. And draw another curvy line. And down here, connect those. And then now, make another curve. And on the other side, make another curve. And then a wiggly line. Just keep on curving. Now, connect this. I'm done. Now make its mouth. And now its eyes, which are closed. We're making the candle. I don't have room for that, so I won't make. And it'll just be a candle. Like, actually I have room for that. I can do that down here. I don't have room for a candle. I'll just draw a cherry. There. We're done. Now time to color. This thing blue, because my brother's favorite color is blue. We're almost done coloring. Now we'll color this part brown. Well, I just have to color my cherry actually. Let's start. We're almost done coloring, and this cupcake is exactly for my brother. Happy birthday to my brother, and happy birthday to your brother or your sister. Bye!